For Windows, go to the first link in the description, scroll down, download now, save, open it up, yes, now click accept. Now choose the create installation media. Next, you can change the language. If you want to, just uncheck this mark, but if you don't, just leave it as it is. Next, and now we have to choose the ISO file. Next, choose the destination folder. Let's pick the downloads, save. Now we just wait. So as it's going, let's get the Ubuntu. Go to the link in description or type in Ubuntu ISO, download Ubuntu desktop, accept, and here download. You don't have to type anything, just wait and save, and it's already downloading, so you have to just wait. Now let's get Linux Mint. Go to download, choose your version. I'll pick Cinnamon, download, scroll down, and you can choose any language you want. I will choose the word, save, and it's already downloading. Yeah, it can take a while. Now we have the path to our file, and we have all of the files here.